Deep inside a dense forest lived a large group of birds. Every morning they flew out together in search of food and returned safely by evening. Their king had made one important rule. Whoever finds food must inform everyone so all can eat together. Because of this rule, no bird slept hungry, and the flock lived in peace and unity. One day, a small bird flew farther than usual. Flying and flying, it reached outside the forest, near a busy road. From this road, trucks loaded with grains traveled daily toward the market. As the trucks passed, grains fell onto the road, scattering everywhere. The little bird's eyes sparkled with joy. "Food! So much food!" it chirped happily. At first, the bird felt excited. Then a dangerous thought entered its mind. "If I tell others, everyone will come here. If I stay silent, all this food will be mine." Greed slowly defeated wisdom. That evening, when the bird returned late, the others asked, "Why are you so late today?" The bird lied. "There is a dangerous road outside the forest. Fast vehicles pass there. Never go near it." The flock became frightened and decided never to go there. From that day onward, the bird went alone every morning. It ate freely, without sharing. Days passed. Fear faded. Greed grew stronger. The bird began to feel confident. "No danger can touch me," it thought. One day, while eating carelessly and greedily, the bird became so absorbed in picking grains that it did not hear the sound of an approaching vehicle. In a single moment, a speeding truck came from behind. Before the bird could react, the wheel passed over it. The greedy bird died instantly, alone, unheard, and forgotten. Greed always leads to destruction. Those who lie and deceive others for personal gain eventually get trapped by their own actions. True wisdom lies in contentment, honesty, and sharing. What is gained by cheating never lasts, but what is shared brings safety, unity, and peace. Friends, what did you learn from this story? Tell us in the comments. And remember, one share gives us big motivation.